Guys, we're gonna do some sweet and spicy, crispy air fried wings in the Ninja Foodi Grill coming up. Cooking with CJ, the show about cooking, drinking, barbecue, and all the other stuff that goes along with it. I am not a chef, I am not a bartender, I am not a pit master, but I play all three on TV. I'm gonna show you how to make quick, easy, tasty recipes and have a little bit of fun along the way. So let's get this party started. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Cooking with CJ. I'm CJ, and if you're a returning subscriber, part of CJ's crew, you know I love you. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that red subscribe button, that bell next to it, so you can get alerts on all of what we do on this channel. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up, share it, comment. You know the YouTube vibe. Do it, all right? Guys, this is a monumentous occasion making these wings. My boy T-Bone, Trent, is in the house. My first cameraman. If you go back to one of my first couple videos, you see the little T-Bone in there, he'll throw a hand up, wave. All right, so I'm excited to be doing this in front of my son. 3 years on YouTube, and he is the boy that helped me start this. All grown up, now you're grown up and you're grown up. Anyway, all right guys, so like I said, we're gonna do some air fried wings today. We're gonna do crispy style. First thing I did, and what I always do when I want crispy style, either I use cornstarch or baking powder. But this time I used some baking powder. I put a teaspoon of that in a gallon plastic baggie, couple pinches of kosher salt, shook it up, put it on a rack and put it in the fridge and let it kind of dry up a little bit so we get some nice crispy skin. I know you know what I'm talking about. All right. We're gonna make these sweet and spicy, and let me tell you how we're gonna do that. Guys, we got some Caribeque honey heat. And we got some Caribeque Calypso kick. All right, so nice heat, sweet, all that good stuff. Guys, I'll put the link below for Caribeque. Kirk's running a great show over there, has a great website, great products, so check it out. Again, not affiliate, he's just a good dude. Listen guys, if I show you a product on here, I've used it, I will not steer you guys wrong, okay? The stuff's good. My Uncle Steve Shake, you know, Cosmos Q, everything I featured on my videos, I use myself and I use it outside of videos, okay? So just trust me on that. The stuff is good to go, okay? All right, so nothing left to do but to get to it. I'm gonna get you over to the Ninja Foodi Grill station, otherwise known as my kitchen island. And then we're gonna start seasoning up these bad boys, get the Ninja Foodi Grill preheated. Let's make it happen. All right, come with me. Okay guys, we're over on the Ninja Foodi Grill station. What we're gonna do now, hit on. That's the most important thing. Next to plugging it in. Sometimes I forget to plug it in. Air crisp, we're gonna do 400. I want these things crispy. We're gonna do 20 minutes, but I don't think we'll need the full 20 minutes. The air fryer basket in there. All right, let's get these oiled down real quick. Oh, we got hit start. All right, we're gonna use some canola oil. All right, that's what I like to use. Gonna spray them down. This will also help crispify them. All right, then we're gonna cover them with some of this good seasoning. Get a little light coat of Calypso kick. All right, and then we're gonna use some of this honey heat. This stuff's the real deal right here, guys. The kids are all running around, so if you hear some screaming kids, you know, it is what it is. All right, guys, we're gonna flip these around and get the other side seasoned up. The Ninja Foodi Grill will be preheated in a few minutes, and then we'll get these bad boys cooking. All right, guys, we're all preheated. Get my tongs. All right, we're gonna put the chickens in. We're gonna put the skin side up. Let all that heat hit it. Tell me down below. I know most of you have heard me ask this before. Are you guys a flat fan or a drumstick fan? And if you're a drumstick fan, you know, nobody's perfect. But you know what's gonna be perfect? These wings. All right, there we go. These are gonna be, we're gonna cook these until we get an internal temperature about 175. Should only take about 10 minutes, but we'll see, all right? Let's close it down. There we go. Okay guys, we're 5 minutes in. Let's take a look at these bad boys. Let's give them a little temp. Look like they're getting pretty crispy. 124. Good, 140. Yeah, like I said, I don't think these are gonna take the 20 minutes. We want them to 175. They're doing good right now. gonna shut this down, probably another 5 minutes, and we'll be where we want to be. All right, y'all, let's check the temps. These are looking crispy. All right, 178, there we go, not bad. All right, that's gonna be pushing 170 in a second. There you go, we're looking good. Look at that juice come out. Ah, that's what I hate about checking temps. I don't know why I lost my thermometer turned off. I guess I hit the off button. All right. And when these big old drumsticks are done, and I, say that, tongue in cheek. When these are done, the flats are done, so we're good. I'm gonna pull these bad boys out, get the picture taken for the thumbnail that you clicked on, and then we gonna eat. All right, guys, so we are done. Got the picture taken. Time to get one of these bad boys. You know what I'm saying? One thing I forgot to mention, what I did is I drizzled honey over the top. I figured we're gonna do honey heat. Let's do honey heat, all right? So we got our nice crispy air fried wing. All right, let's check it out. There it is, guys. That's awesome. Looking crispity crunchy right there. All right, guys, it's time to take a bite. I'm telling you, that's finger looking good right there. Sweet, heat, crispy. Look, I don't know what else there is to say. This is amazing. You need to try it. And when you do, make sure you comment down below and thank me for this one. Guys, this is some good stuff. Guys, what can I say? Sometimes you need to pat yourself on the back. That's all I gotta say. This is good. Make sure you try it. Guys, if you need anything in these videos, the cutting board, the ThermoPro, the Ninja Foodi Grill, all that stuff, there's links down below. It doesn't cost you anything more. Just helps out the channel. If you want to become a show producer, that link right there. It gets your name at the end of the credits. Live in infamy. Wing, crispy, sweet heat infamy. All right, guys, that's it. I hope you have a wonderful week. Thank you for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.